Where were you? Are you getting in trouble? I'll be home in a little bit. Hi, Bella. Bella. Hi, baby. Hi. There you are. Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi. Who's such a good girl? All right, baby. I'll be home soon.
Donnie, no. No. Mommy is watching.
Oh, little baby.
I love you. Chicken wing. Great, that's my shoe. I don't know.
Kimbo. Hola, Kimbo. Kimbo, acá estoy. Kimbo, ¿cómo te estás portando, papi? ¿Cómo te portas? Ay, tan buen perrito, se porta muy bien.
Hey! Slow down, you too fast. It's okay. Hey, Will. Yeah, you ran into the door, dude. Going too fast.
Jack, it's your friend.
You should have seen him. He slid into the door going so fast.
That's what he does.
Oh my
He doesn't
God.
know how to control himself.
I was like, well, dag. I mean, I'm trying to say hi.
You gotta be nice. It's just your friend.
Oh man, he's hilarious.
Yeah, he doesn't know how to.
Daisy, no. Down.
Oh my God. You are so cute.
You're naughty, so cute. Oh, get down.
What a good girl.
Look at her.
Hi, boy. Hi. Lovey. You're so cute. Hi. Hello. Hi. Oh my God.